Look at this movement. This started as a single static photo.
You know I love you. Take care.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
Today, I'm showing you exactly how to unlock this level of realistic animation using Kling 2.6 inside Higgsfield AI. We are going to turn static avatars into talking characters with custom dialogue, create cinematic movie scenes, and I'll even show you how to pull off that viral motion control dancing trend taking over TikTok. It's time to bring your images to life. Let's dive in. Welcome. To get started, visit the link in the description or the pinned comment to navigate to higgsfield.ai. Once you land on the website, you'll notice it hosts a wide variety of AI tools. However, today we are strictly focusing on the Kling 2.6 model with audio capabilities. To begin, I'll simply click on Video in the menu here. Look for Kling 2.6, which is right here, and click on that. Once it opens, you will see the interface required to create videos with this amazing tool. To start, I am going to demonstrate how you can animate AI characters using this platform. A common question I receive is, how do I actually animate my characters? Trust me, you can use this tool to animate them, and the results look incredibly realistic. So I will go ahead and upload my AI avatar, the same one you saw in the intro. I'll proceed to upload that right here. Amazing! With my AI avatar uploaded, here it is, I'm not going to change the mode. I will leave it as is, or ensure General is selected. Now we need to provide a prompt. I need to tell Kling 2.6 exactly what to do with the image I just uploaded. So I'll type, "He is talking," and making realistic hand and head gestures, saying, "This is how to animate AI avatar with Kling 2.6 inside Higgsfield AI." As you can see, the Enhance Prompt feature is already toggled on. I'm going to leave it on because I want the AI to refine my prompt for a better result. For the settings, I will stick with Kling 2.6. While there are many other models available, including OpenAI Sora 2.0, Google Veo, Minimax, and High-Low, I'm sticking with Kling 2.6 for superior sound quality. For the duration, I'll select 10 seconds. The aspect ratio is already set to auto because my uploaded image is 16:9, so the AI will match that automatically. Now I'll simply click on Generate. Our AI avatar video is done generating. Let's check it out and see how it turned out. I'll go ahead and play it right now.
This is how to animate AI avatar with Kling 2.6 inside Higgsfield AI. This is how to animate AI avatar with Kling 2.6 inside Higgsfield AI.
Okay, it is actually animating, giving it realistic hand gestures and natural head movements. Good. There's a lot you can do with this tool. I'm going to upload another image. In this image, this woman is making a call inside a phone booth. To demonstrate the audio capabilities and prove that you can make the character say anything, for example, if you are trying to create a short film with AI, you can use this tool to direct exactly what each character says in a scene. The image is done uploading. Since she's talking on the phone, I'm going to type a prompt like, "She's making a phone call with her husband on the phone. She speaks in a very soft tone saying, 'Baby, you know I love you. Take care.'" It's as simple as it sounds. I'm not going to change any other settings. I will simply click on Generate. The video we just generated is ready. Let's check it out.
Babe, you know I love you. Take care. Babe, You know I love you. Take care.
That is really impressive. You can actually generate these kinds of scenes by using ChatGPT to write your story. For each scene, you generate the static image and then use Kling 2.6 to animate those scenes for your short movie. Once you're done, you can stitch them all together in CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any editing software you are proficient with. It's that simple. Now, there is a particular feature I need to highlight. If I didn't, I would be doing you a disservice. There's a massive trend going on right now on TikTok, which many people don't know how to execute. I've actually done a complete video on this, but I want to incorporate it into this tutorial so you have a clue of what is going on. It is called motion control, where you see an AI baby dancing to trending songs. I'm going to leave the link to the full tutorial on this in the top right corner, so you can check that out later. But for now, I'll walk you through how it's made here. If you look at the interface, you see Create Video, Edit Video, and Motion Control. I have to click on Motion Control. As you can see, I have already selected a video here. You can go to TikTok or any other platform to find a video you want to use as a reference. Here we have Endurance Grand dancing. The goal is to generate your AI baby who will dance exactly as the person in the reference video is dancing. As you can see, I already have an image of the baby here. You select your resolution quality and then look at the scene control. Here, you can select where you want the background to come from, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'll simply click on Generate, and this will start the generation process for us. Let's give it a moment and see what we get. The video we just generated with motion control is done. Let's check it out. All right, so that is it for this particular video. If you want to learn how to master this specific trending AI baby dancing style, please check out the video in the top right corner as I mentioned. I have a full tutorial there on how to generate the baby images and how to source the reference videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.